I would like to explain about invitation. We invite you to all to share our joy and request your presence at the occasion of English language learning activity. If we want to share our joy, grief, sorrow with courteous greeting, as beautiful as a flower, as beautiful as a rainbow. Invitation card. Invitation is nothing but inviting people to our places to share our joy with them. Share our joy with them. As beautiful as a flower, as beautiful as a rainbow. Invitations. There are n number of invitations. Wedding invitation, wedding anniversary invitation, birthday anniversary invitation, annual day celebration invitation, shopping mall opening invitation, etc. There are some things to follow in the invitation card. Invitation venue means place. The importance of venue is we should mention our place in which place we are conducting the program should be mentioned in the invitation card. Next, time and date. In which time and which date we are conducting, that should be mentioned in the invitation card. Thank you for giving this opportunity. Thank you, sir, for spending your valuable time with us. Thank you.
Create a video of your talents and share it via WhatsApp on 9700491819. If you are new to this channel, then don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.